Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to be doing something for the first time. I'm going to be having MRE menu number 23, Pepperoni Pizza Slice. This will be my first time having this one. In fact, it's my first time having that particular entree. Of course, the zip tab is going to be a pain. I get this from allmres.com. I'd like to take this opportunity to do a shout out for Tracey Phillips. I wouldn't have known about MRE.com, allmre.com, excuse me, if it wasn't for Tracey's video. So, appreciate that. Shout out for you, brother. Camera's not straight today. So let's dig into this. Now it's not a regular MRE bag, so let's go over the contents. Heating FRH. I've never used this one before. I'll read the instructions off camera. We have white snack bread, I've got the crappy oatmeal cookie, which I may not even open because they suck. Total Indulgence Sweet Caramel Cappuccino. Interesting. It's not even a... I think I'm going to drink that in the morning because it's too warm for hot drinks. We have the pizza slice. Nice. First Strike Cranberry Raspberry Energy Bar. These are good. Excited for that. I have a spoon and fork with salt and pepper. I have cheese spread with jalapeno. Score! This I hear is the holy grail of spreads. And I got the white bread for it. I've got a... looks like a moistelette. Grape Clear Vitamin C. 100% vitamin C. Looks like a drink beverage. It's just a white plastic or white thing. So, and then crushed red pepper flakes. With a drink I can have, so because it's warm. Of course, I had to set everything down on top of the FRH. That's going to be for breakfast. Silverware I'm never going to need or use. I will drink the beverage mix though. The oatmeal cookie again. Damn. I might open it just to confirm it's lame, but every time I've had them, they've just been crap. Alright, let me read this off camera and then I'll bring it back. Okay, so kind of cool. So here's the heating element. You just drop that down inside. Then you add your pizza slice. And it looks like they actually give you liquid. Do not drink. But it must be the liquid to, the perfect amount of liquids to do this, so. Don't want to heat anything else up. Nah, I don't think I need to. Water doesn't smell chemically or anything, so. Fold that over. Set that down to do its thing. This is something heavy. Ooh, this thing's really cranking up the heat. Damn. Of course, the bag keeps wanting to open up. Alright. Man, that bag is just steaming away like crazy. Here's the snack bread with the cheese. Man. That's good. Jalapeno cheese bread. You can see the steam coming off that FRH. May actually get a hot meal for once. Alright, get the drink mix going. Kind of worked out because I actually happen to like grapes, so. Alright. I had to kind of guess on the water. It's a 20-ounce bottle, so I figured just a little under half. I think I got a little too much water in it, but that's alright. It tastes good. It tastes pretty good. Yeah, and this stuff though. Jalapeno cheese bread. It's the first time having it. Man, I can see why everyone likes that cheese. It's banging. That's good stuff. So I might keep this bag because it has a zip top. So, you know, containers are king. So keep that here at camp. Drink is a little watery, but it's all right. Pretty tasty. And then let's dive into that main. I think it's been enough time. That thing is steaming. Look when they all work like that. Pour that water out. I don't think it's gonna harm the environment. So there's the pizza slice packet. Oh man, I just got hit with that pepperoni pizza smell. There she is. It kind of looks like that cheap pizza you can get at the grocery store. Oh, 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 oh. Eat that. Look at the color of the cheese. I was watching a video from Steve 1989. This pizza looked way better. Gotta say, no, I'll come back after. So I'm gonna be honest, a little underwhelming. I mean, the bread came out nice and soft, like really soft. I don't know. To be honest, they had a 3-pack of these for like $10. Just the 3 pizzas, and I'm actually kind of glad I didn't buy it now. I mean, I won't say it was terrible, but I just thought it was okay. So, I mean, what are you gonna do? Maybe I got a weird batch or something, but I wouldn't say I wouldn't recommend getting it. I'd say, you know, if you're interested, definitely go buy one. allmre.com. You know, give it a taste. I don't know if I'd get more than, I would just get one, see if you like it, even though you gotta pay the shipping costs, but now that creme de la creme, go ahead and eat the first strike bar, which I've had before, and you know, they're pretty bomb. You can get these at allmre.com too. You can get like 6, 9, or 12. This one's not as hard as the last one either. Good stuff.